Hey, watch. I suck it in. And that's the key. Hold on. What?
Both of you have to press A.
Both of you press. There you go.
Wait, what the?
Push me and
Oh.
then just touch me
There.
till I can get my satisfaction.
Those are like frogs.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my
Lift up that leg.
satisfaction.
Do a stack of leg. Do a stack of leg.
Satisfaction. Satisfaction.
Do Thriller. This is what Dustin does in the shower.
Oh.
Except I fall every time.
You never get done. He gets to the part, you gotta go like this. And then he falls every time. I don't know why. Every time.
Start skiing.
That was an accident.
On purpose. Accidentally on purpose. Stank. Stank it up!
Do a stack of leg. Do a stack of leg.
I think the thing you like. I do.
Josh, you wanna give me an apple, please?
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
Start skating.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
I like the green ones better.
What?
You like the Granny Smiths better?
Always do.
I never like you.
Huh?
You do better.
Push me and then just touch me till I can
You
get
good.
my satisfaction.
And then just touch me till I can get my
Ow!
Dustin, first you're up next. You guys, I want you to scoop the Cheerios.
Oh yeah. What does that mean?
Yeah.
There's that one you guys sit there and go like this.
I'm not doing Cheerios.
You guys scoop it! Scoop the Cheerios!
Okay.
Faster.
Actually do it, or you say you don't want to do it?
Slap and chop. Skate!
It doesn't matter what your score is.
Well, you and your, yeah, look at me. I sucked it up. You and your mom can go.
Yeah.
I'm going Dustin because he's going to say it.
I'm gonna say it regardless.
That's me that says that. I started that.
Yeah, I want to do Super Cheerios. You are so welcome. I don't remember what song it
and then
is.
just touch me till I
You're gonna get infected now.
It's Move Something.
satisfaction.
You ever smack on the phone?
And then just
It's body moving.
till I can get my
Austin.
You know those
It's body moving.
You ever play comb? You have to put it, you have to like,
I would not feel good.
no, this is what you have to do with regular comb. You know how they have that spark thing coming out?
Start freaking out. Go. Dance!
This is what you do. This is how you put
Dance!
your hand out.
Now I'm saying.
No, I'm not gonna do it to you. This is how
I'm
Brian
not
does
even
it.
in it.
You're not done yet? Skate!
I did it.
Hard.
I did it.
Alright, now move your hand. That's how you go around the comb, okay? You have to get the comb and smack them with it. If they don't move their hand fast enough, you're gonna get them. Put your teeth in the comb. Brian did that. My hand was bleeding instantly. He's like,
Oh my God,
"You
this
lose."
is forever. What happened?
Let's play comb.
What's that?
Wanna play?
Huh?
Wanna play?
That's right.
Comb.
Huh?